Thanks for choosing Bradford White. The AeroTherm Series G2 is over 300% efficient, so it's incredible because it pays for itself. Hi, I'm Nick, one of the technical trainers, and I'm here to help you get started. As a contractor, you know proper installation is important, so be sure to follow the installation manual, and remember, tech support is available 24/7 right here in Middleville, Michigan. There's even a dedicated line just for heat pump water heater questions. Okay, you're almost ready to install the G2. Before you do, here are a few things to keep in mind. The G2 can use the same size circuit as any 4,500 watt electric heater, and our installation manual recommends a minimum 25 amp breaker. These heaters are dual rated for supply voltages of 240 or 208 volts. The heat pump draws air from the room to heat the water, so it needs at least 700 cubic feet for optimal performance. We also recommend a minimum 7-inch clearance around the heater. For more information on required clearances, refer to the manual. On the right side of the heater, you'll see a TMP valve. Just above it is the condensate connection, which is a 3/4 inch MPT female. The TMP discharge and the condensate line should never be combined. Condensate should be routed to a suitable drain based on your local code requirements. And it's not acidic, so there's no need to neutralize it. Once the tank is filled and the power is turned on, the heater begins start guard. Then the compressor is energized. This includes a dry fire test on each element. The factory settings are 120 degrees Fahrenheit in hybrid standard mode. After start guard is finished, the heater keeps running the heat pump until the set point is reached. This could take several hours of operation, which is normal. Remember, a mixing valve could boost stored capacity by up to 25%, and vice versa. If your installation includes a recirc line that may affect hot water delivery, contact tech support if you have any questions. Finally, remind the homeowner that if the air filter gets clogged, a fault code will be present on the display. Simply remove the filter, rinse it in the sink, and reinstall it. That's a quick look at AeroTherm Series G2, but remember, if you have questions about this or any other Bradford White product, give us a call anytime. We're always here for the pro.